creating the best version of yourself is the way to live for everyone. And that's what inspired me to start FitBliss. What FitBliss maximizes on is creating a personalized experience for every employee individually, specifically millennials, who typically are more prone to using technologies that are personalized. We exercise, we'll eat food. All of that has quantifiable outcomes. And to bring it to light for everyone in the world, we'll be able to cure diseases, improve health outcomes, and most importantly, make people feel the best versions of themselves.